Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will show how you can install a DHCP server on Windows Server 2090. Let's begin. Go for the manager and add rules and features, and then next and next until you hit this screen. Then you need to click DHCP on and be sure you have the management tool accepted, and click next and next and next and install. Then we're just waiting for it's installed finish so we can continue. And when it's finished you can click on close, going for the yellow flag alert and complete the DHCP configuration. When we're going inside here and you just say follow the users, that's fine. And now we can go for the tools and click on DHCP. And then you get this window. We can just drag it out here and go out, and you can see the little here is because it's not this one. I can't tell the word, it's funny. So click on this icon and you can click down here, and now it's active. Then right click on your IPv4 and click new scope and click next, and our scope should be test scope. And then I need to starting for 230 and 9 and 200 and 150, 50 and 150, and then my net submask should be this one. I continue. If you have a static IP in this IP range you can add it here, but if not then click next. I will change this from 3 days to 1 day, because it's meaning if the device is shut down or offline or something more than 1 day, it will release the IP. So if you have a lot of devices on your network, it will help you to release the IP addresses. But if you are okay with the same devices should have the same IP address, you can just set this up. But I'll recommend you for 1 day for now. And we will continue to yes, and in this case I want to the gateway. My router is this IP. Remember to click add. If you don't click add, it will not be added. Be sure this is your configuration. This is my DNS server and this is my domain, and I click next. If you use Wins servers you can put it in here, but I will just continue here for now. I will activate my scope right away and finished. You can see my scope here, and if I go down to scope options you can see the router, DNS and the domain, and now you have the DHCP server set up. And welcome for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe my channel. If you have any questions please make them below so I will try to answer them. I hope you enjoy and like my video, add it for a playlist and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for subscribing, and see you next time.